Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So recently I posted this poll on Instagram and the highest number of votes went to one major problem. We can understand English but we just can't speak it. Let's solve this problem today. Look, if you want to improve your speaking, you have to actually speak. Think about it. You can't learn swimming or cycling just by watching videos or reading books about it, right? To learn swimming, you have to jump into the water. To learn cycling, you have to get on the cycle. Exactly like that. To learn English, you have to start speaking. Otherwise, it's not going to happen. So, in this video, I'm going to share 3 super effective steps that you can do in just 15 minutes a day. That's just 5 minutes per step. Do this consistently for 1 month and you will see an amazing change in yourself. Step number 1, shadowing technique. This basically means you pick any English speaker you like, listen to them, and mimic them in real time. Copy their expressions, their tone, and the way they pronounce words. It trains your mouth muscle to get used to English. By the way, I already have a detailed video on shadowing. I will add the link on the description. Step number 2, practice with an AI or a partner. You need to have actual conversations. If you have a friend to practice with, that's amazing. But if you don't, no worries at all. You can easily practice speaking with AI using ChatGPT. I have made a full video on how to do this and I will link it in the description. And one more great option is an application called PeerUp. It's completely free, available 24/7 and connects you with random speaking partner for one-on-one voice call. So, no excuses anymore. Step number 3, the role play technique. This is a brilliant and fun technique. You can find plenty of English role play videos on YouTube. Usually, the video creator speaks one part of the conversation and then leaves a pause with subtitles on the screen for your turn. You just have to read those lines out loud as if you are in real conversation. It's super interactive and builds instant confidence. That's all for today, guys. Just 3 techniques for 15 minutes every single day. Drop a comment below which of these 3 steps are you going to start with, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy English tips, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.